Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for a blind that has the most easy installation, then you have to check this one out from Boolegon. Now, this is a super renter-friendly blind because you don't even have to screw into the wall to install it. So you send in your measurements, it's customized to fit your exact window size. It's then pressure mounted. So you start with the one side and then you work in the other and then you lock it and that's it. It has a really nice valance across the top to cover all of the hardware. So we have it in white. It's got a nice textured feel to it. The back is also white. It's very room darkening. There is a little bit of space on both sides where the light can shine through, but we have curtains, so that's not an issue at all. It's easy to pull down and up. It stops wherever you want it. This will also help to keep out the heat on those hot days or even the cold from the window. It does exactly what we wanted it to do. It looks really nice, it's sleek, but it's perfect for privacy, room darkening, all of that sort of thing. So if you're also looking for a blind for your window, you want it to fit perfectly, they have all sorts of different colors, so you can have it exactly the way you want it, and that's my point of view.